Jabalpur అనే ఊర్లో young girl. This was during Akbar's time, meaning Mughals time. 1524 she was born, October 5th. She was raised as a valor, meaning strong, by her father. Everybody will think it's Jhansi Lakshmi Bai. Jhansi Lakshmi Bai is in 1800. So this is 1500. I'm talking about 1524, long ago, 600 years ago. She was married at the age of 18, 16 or 18, I'm not very sure. Within her marriage, 4 years, husband died. She had a 2.5-year-old kid, baby. That time, because husband died, she took over the kingdom. She said, I'm going to take care of it as a Rani, queen. She did wonderful. She established great temples. She helped the poor. No people were poor in her kingdom. Everybody were happy. But she was, because the kingdom is so very flourishing, the Muslim king nearby, he attacked her several times. All the times she defeated him. She was a great warrior. 1524 I'm talking about. She was a great warrior. And then it reached, through this Muslim king, it reached Akbar. Akbar was the greatest king at that time. It reached Akbar. Akbar said, okay, in order to penetrate into that kingdom, I need to do something. So what he did is, through his mediators, though, he said, I need the white elephant that queen has, because it is dearer to her. The white elephant, she had one white elephant. It's called Sargam. She loved it so much. She used to go to war on that elephant. That elephant loves the queen so much. They are very close. He said, I want that white elephant, and I need the so much that she believes or trusts a minister. I forgot his name. So he said, I want that minister and I want that white elephant. Obviously she will say no, right? Obviously she will not give. So in the name of that, he waged a war, Akbar. So many destroyed in Akbar's side, so much of destruction happened in this queen's side. Again he waged war. Again, same thing. No defeat, no win. Same thing. Again, third time, he waged a war with 300,000 soldiers against a queen who had only 30,000 soldiers. 30,000 versus 300,000. Akbar waged a war with 300,000 this time, because he wanted to take over this, and he wanted to take the queen as one of the slaves in his harem. In those days, all the Muslim kings, they used to occupy, they used to take over the kingdom, and they used to take over the queen as a slave. That is the Muslim kings used to do. So what happened? Akbar wanted to do the same. This time he said, enough is enough. I want to take her, hit or not, we will take her. We will defeat, completely destroy the kingdom. 300,000. With the 30,000, she fought. At that time, she said, since 30,000 was 300,000, she let her baby, 3-year-old or 4-year-old at the time, she let some of her servants to say, take him away. And she went to the war, not knowing that she will return. She knows that something might happen. I may not return to take the kid away. She waged war. An arrow pierced into her arm, first arrow. She took the arrow off completely inside. She took the arrow off and fought again. Another arrow went into her eye. Eye. She took that also. Can you even believe? Just to listen to it, we get goosebumps. She took the arrow off, but the edge of the arrow, the sharp thing, was still in the eye. She took the arrow off though. She started fighting still. She fought for what? For what? For her kingdom, for Ma Bharati. Against the Mughal, a Muslim king, she did not give up. She still took the arrow off. She started fighting. The next time it hit her throat, went inside. She fell. She told her trusted minister, take the sword, cut my throat off. He said, no, my queen. He just fell on her knees. No, my queen, I cannot do it. She took her dagger and pierced inside her itself and said, I will not let the enemy touch me at all. At least anybody can name her? She died for you and me. We don't know her? Rani Durgavati. Put it into your calendars. October 5th, never forget her. She is your ancestor. She died for you and me. She fought against the evil. Rani Durgavati. This is 1524. She died 1564. When she was 40, she died. She fought so many wars. She won everything except for the last one because she did not have resources. But she did not give up, right? This is a lady from Bharat. 1950, a lady had to fight the government of United States to participate in an Olympic game. Marathon race. She had to fight. Until then, women are not allowed. You all think America is so prosperous? 1524, a woman was a king, queen. She took care of the kingdom. That is Bharat. Women are revered as the great in our culture.